Hey, welcome back. Where we solve the tech related problems. Today we are tackling a common issue many of you face with the EA College Football 25 team builders, the frustrating error 400. Let's dive into how to fix it. Around 400 on EA College Football to 25 team builders can be really frustrating, especially when you are excited to customize your team. This error occurs when trying to save your team or upload logo. This is not just about the error itself, but also about the time wasted trying to troubleshoot it. One of the simple fixes is clear your browser's cookies and the caches. This can resolve issue caused by outdated data. Simply go to your browser setting, find the options and then clear the browsing data and select cookie and cache. Then restart your browser and try accessing team builders again. Another common cause is having the game open while trying to access the team builders. Make sure you close college Football 25 before attempting to use the team builder website. This can prevent conflict between the game and the web application. If this solution don't work, try using a different browser. Some users have the reported success with the Microsoft Edge. Also ensure your internet connection is stable, as poor connectivity can lead to errors. And that's it. With this simple step, you should be able to resolve around 400 on EA College Football 25 Team Builder. If you have any other tech related problem you would like to us to solve, let us know the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions.